Wax try-ins are an important step when creating dentures. However, try-ins must be designed to fit comfortably and look aesthetically pleasing in the patient's mouth. They must also accurately match up with the rest of the mouth. So in this video, we'll be covering how to create an accurate looking try-in denture. Stay tuned. To begin, start by adding on to the patient's bite block. Wax bite blocks are used to check where the patient's bite is and where the teeth on the denture should be placed. They are also used to determine the midline of the mouth. Apply teeth by cutting into the wax and placing them in the correct positions. This is called setting the teeth. Once applied, check the bite and occlusion of the teeth and trim where need be. A good way to check is by using occlusion foil. After the teeth have been set, add detail to the gingival tissue of the try-in. This is called festooning. Remember to polish the teeth as well. Use an alcohol torch to add slight detail to the try-in. continue to add more characterization to the gingiva. Make adjustments to the edges of the TryIn so that it can properly fit in the patient's mouth. Finally, using a cotton swab, apply high gloss to the TryIn to give it a natural looking shine. Once complete, the TryIn denture is ready for the patient as an early prototype of how the final will look and feel. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing more dental restorations like this, follow Luke on social media at Luke Kahng. For more exclusive dental restoration content, join our Patreon at patreon.com/LukeKahng.